Hello guys, I'm Omid and welcome to my another React tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you what is JSX. JSX is very important and we should understand its structure. Actually, we can say that JSX is known for being a language that lets you write HTML inside JavaScript, and in other words, JSX is an external domain-specific language that is optimized for generating XML-like documents, and we can say JSX stands for JavaScript XML, and it makes easy to understand HTML. So we can say in other words, HTML plus JavaScript equals JSX. But let's consider this concept in a real example. Here we have an index.html file that shows hello world simply, but if we view its page source, we can see that it's a kind of React programming, and we have added these CDNs, and here we have script tags, and in this component we will expect to see hello world with these HTML tags. But when we copy this code and we go to bubble.js.io website and paste it here, we can see that these HTML tags are compiled to a JavaScript code. Actually, it's the magic of JSX that we write HTML codes inside JavaScripts inside these tags, but we have JavaScripts and automatically convert it and compile it to JavaScripts. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you and you understand the concepts of JSX. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestion regarding this tutorial, please leave your comments. Thank you.